What's up, my people? How you all doing? Hope you all are doing fine. Hope you all are chilling. Hope you all are making money out there. Happy Sunday to you all, and well wishes to all that hears my voice. All right. So this is Silva here again, and I'm back again with another powerful video tutorial on volatility index. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I personally do my analysis on volatility 75 index. Okay, so as you can see, this is volatility 75 index. I'll be doing my analysis down to the lower time frame, where I'll be making my trading decisions. Okay, so I want to share with you guys how I do that, all right, from my personal opinion. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm on the daily time frame, which is the time frame I personally like to do my analysis. All right, starting from the daily down to the 15 or the 5-minute time frame, where I'll be taking my entries. Okay, so the first thing I do here is to try to identify the trend of the market. And as you can see here, what market is showing us right now is the price is on a downtrend, right? So as you can see, price is currently on a downtrend. So with this, I will head down to the 4 hours time frame to better understand what the market is doing. All right, so here on the 4 hours time frame, I'm going to draw a downtrend. I'm going to use my trend line to mark out to help me identify the trend of the market, right? So I'll mark this out using the structures, all right, the tip of the structures being made by price. Okay, you can see. So I connect like 2 or 3 structures together in order to better mark out the vertical support and resistance in the market. Okay, so you can see here there is a resistance here, 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 but this is happening in a vertical kind of way. All right, so marking out this, I know that this is a trend, this is a downtrend, right? So what I do next is that I will go down to the lower time frame again, which is the 1 hour time frame. All right, so as you can see here, the downtrend, so as you can, these people now need me to do. All right, so as you can see here, this is the trend line I marked on the 4 hours time frame, which is serving as the major trend line, showing us that the trend is on a downtrend. All right, so here on the 1 hour time frame, I'm going to kind of put in some counter trend line, all right, which is kind of a strategy. So I'll mark out this area here to give us the trend that is going the opposite direction, to help us identify the upward trend here going against the major trend, which is a downtrend. Okay, so this trend here, all right, is kind of going against the major trend, which is the upward movement. All right, so I'm going to mark this, all right, here on the 1 hour time frame, and then I will step down to the 30-minute time frame, all right, in order to draw closer to price, right? So here on the 30-minute time frame, this is what I'm seeing. So I'll step down to 15-minute again in order to have better view of what market is doing. So as you can see, market is kind of currently going down right now. So I'll put in another counter trend line here again to help me mark the areas of market. So this is what happened here that I've seen, all right, in the market. So initially the trend was like this, right? And as you know how price does this thing, it came down, respected the trend line here, the support here, went up again, then you can see it start breaking below it. All right, it went for a retest around here, but it fails to go down. All right, so it broke. Like maybe if you would have taken some sell around this area here, and your stop loss is above, this area, this right here would have taken you out of the market. All right, this upward move here would have taken you out of the market, which is first attempt being failed. All right, which is your first attempt being failed. All right, so if you understand what you are doing, you will shift your trend line back to this area. I'm trying to explain what happened previously so that you are going to get a better understanding of what market did, and you know how to approach it in the future. All right, so now you can see that's what happened there. All right, price went up, you adjust your trend line and you wait for it to come again, right? So it still broke below our trend line, all right, and went back for a retest, right? It went back for a retest. So this was the previous structure it made. So this is the area you are expected to place your stop loss. So I think that price would have not taken you out. All right, so you can see price went for a retest, and then you can see it's currently selling to this area right now, right? So with this, I'm going to approach the market like this. I'll draw my my horizontal support and resistance zone here like this to help show me what happened previously. All right, so I'll draw another one here again. This is what happened here. There's a support and resistance zone around this area. All right, that rejected price to the downside, and you can see now the price has broken below this. All right, went back for a retest. There's a retest here, and it will go down to this area here now. All right, so you can decide to like join in the sell, this short sell to this area. All right, and around this area, if it gives you more sell condition, you can add more sell position to the downside. All right, so let's what kind of pattern price is making here on the 5-minute time frame. So you can see I told you that price broke and it retested here. There's a zone here also around this area, and price is going to sell based on my prediction to this area. All right, and around this area again, let's look at around this area again. If price can break below this trend line here, we'll look for another sell opportunity to the downside. All right, we'll look for another sell opportunity to this area here. All right, so for now we'll go back to our 15-minute time frame. If you maybe by the time you are watching this video, you can take your sell with you can like decide to join in the sell to this area. All right, so I'm going to open my first position here with this because I know all right, so according to the prediction, I took some sell around this area. All right, so I'm planning on holding this sell till price gets to this area here. All right, so for now my stop loss is going to be around this area, above this area here, right? That is where I plan to put my stop loss based on this analysis. Okay, so I know there is a support and resistance zone here that might hinder the movement of my sell, right? This here might hinder the movement of my sell position to the downside, but I pray it breaks below this, and then around here again I'll add more sell position to this TP area here, which I intend to exit the market when price gets to. Okay, so for now I will just take these two positions, all right, in order to reduce the risk involved in this trade. All right, so for now I will just hold and see what the market do. All right, so I just said I should quickly share with you because I'm not going to be able to show you guys how this will play out, but what I want, the main purpose of doing this video is for you to learn how to do it on your own, right? What I want you guys to take from this video is just the knowledge, right? It's just the knowledge of how things will go, of how to do this on your own, how to predict the market, how to do your own setup by yourself, right? All right, so price action is the key. So with more practice, I believe you are going to get better one day, and you'll be able to do the analysis on your own, right? So for my new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, this is a strategy also. It's called the top down analysis. All right, so with this you have a broad understanding of what the market is doing before you take entry into the market. All right, so I just said I should quickly share this with you guys today, and I'll be taking my leave now. All right, this is the end of this video. All right, so for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, link is in the description of this video. Do make sure to join and you won't regret joining. Okay, so for the boom and crash strategy, for those of you who have not yet come for it, the door is still open. It's a VIP strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Even a beginner can use this strategy. Okay, so if you are interested in getting the strategy I'm talking about, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Do make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that's it guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.